Hello everyone, let's take a look at this problem. Find XOR sum of all pairs Bitwise n. Okay, so it's the last question in the weekly context. Although it's the last question, it's not that hard. Okay, this is a problem. So like if you haven't read this problem, you can take some time to read it. Basically, for the naive implementation, we can just we have a double for loop, and this double for loop will construct a new array. Then we just get the XOR of the element in this new array. It's very naive, and we know the time complexity can be pretty huge. Like the len array 1 multiply len array 2. And the len array 1 and the len array 2 can be 10 to the 5. So multiply them, it can be 10 to the 10. So it will tell you. So we should optimize it. And is there a way to optimize it to like len array 1 plus len array 2? And let's think about single element. Assuming we have array A1 to AN, and we have an element V, like how can we get the result of this formula? Assuming this is a bit representation, like this is 32-bit of V, and I omit the first 30 bits, and we want to get the result. Okay, let's just consider one single bit. Assuming for this bit, the value is 0 in V, and we know 0 and any value is 0. So V and A1 is 0 for this bit. Same for other, like V and AN. So it's all 0, so the XOR will be 0. So if V is 0 in this bit, then the bit in result is also 0. Okay, what if it's 1? If V is 1, then we know V and A1. For this bit, the value is determined by A1. Okay, so assuming like the bit in A1 is 1, the bit in A2 is 1, then 1 XOR 1 it becomes 0. So we need to know like the total number of ones in this bit, like from A1 to AN. So if the number of bits in this position is an odd number, then it's 1. If it's even number, then this will be 0. Okay, so it's very, if we have all the like bits information like for this array, then it just takes us like 01 to get the answer. Actually, it's 032. So first, we just for loop array 2 to get bits information. For these bits, then we know like in this position how many ones there. Okay, when we have this bits for information, like we can get the result very easily. This is our result. Finally, we just return this result. Then we just for loop every element in array 1. And for each element, like I will get this result. But we can get results in almost 01. The temp is this result. So my final result just XOR this temp. Okay, then we just for loop the 32 bits. If the bits is 1 here in V, then we just track the total bits. If the total bits is like odd number, then we know it will be 1. Then we contribute this 1 to the correct bit position in this temp. Okay, that's it. And the temp complexity is O len array 1 plus len array 2. You can also multiply 32 here, but they're almost, but in O annotation it's same, right? Okay, that's it. See you next time.